More than 3 years removed from the worst of the financial crisis, and the real estate market continues to slide. Lee Kiser joins us now. He's the founder of Chicago-based real estate investment firm, the Kiser Group. Lee, thank you very much for your time this morning.
Thanks, Paul.
Now, taking a look at the latest Case-Shiller Home Price Index numbers, which tracks home prices in 20 cities across the U.S. The year that ended September, down 3.6%, that after a 3.8% dip in August. What's behind this decline?
It's the same thing that's behind the decline in values across the real estate spectrum, not just in single-family homes. But specifically in single-family homes, it's the foreclosures, it's the distressed properties. All of those are on the market being sold at lower prices. That's what you're competing with if you're trying to sell your own home. So all of that is driven down.
Now, what's your forecast? Do you see those distressed properties, those sales of those distressed properties continuing, or are we getting to a point where the inventory of those distressed homes is beginning to winnow out?
Well, I wouldn't call it winnowing out yet. I would call it stabilizing. There's a regulated flow of that product into the market right now. I don't think that you will see the same decline in values, 3.8, 3.6 in 2012 as you saw in 2010 and 2011. I do believe that the market is reaching a stabilization of values, meaning I'm not sure how long it will be before significant values come back, but I do think that we've hit the bottom.
So maybe that's a positive. What else is contributing to maybe some optimism in real estate right now?
It's a perfect storm right now if you're an investor. And by that I mean historically low prices, but also historically low interest rates. The trick is to have enough equity or cash to make the purchase. You can get a loan if you're not one of the ones who needs it. So if you have that cash and you're able to buy it, it's a perfect storm right now for the investor in real estate.
Well, what is the investor looking into right now in the real estate market?
Really, the most popular is residential, especially multi-residential.
Multi-family units that maybe they'll spin out into rentals then?
Correct. The reason it works so well for investment in residential is that residential rental rates are also at an all-time high. Across the nation, in larger metropolitan areas, you see it more pronounced than in rural areas.
So rental rates going up, home prices going down, now may be the time to buy then?
Well, don't know if they're still going down, but certainly stabilized at the bottom. Rental rates, historic high, interest rates, historic lows.
All right, well, Lee Kiser of the Kiser Group, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Paul.